not sure what's happening right now. My face is frozen. It's not coming out. Okay, I think it froze in the bottle. What is up, everyone? So in today's video, I am doing a full face of makeup with frozen makeup, and I got this video from Sylvia, or her name's gonna be right here. As soon as I saw this video that she posted, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to do it. So here I am doing it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload, which will be frequently. So here is my Instagram, so go ahead and go check me out and follow me. Let's just jump right into this video because this intro is super long now. So here is all my makeup. It is frozen. Well, it's not all frozen, but it's definitely cold. But we will look at the stuff. You can see it's got like, it's really hot in my house, so the humidity. So I just put in the Pour Professional by Benefit. It came out like normal. It just seems really cold, which I'm not looking forward to. Maybe I can warm it. It's like separating on my hands. So we have this, the Tarte. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like, see where it's lighter right there? It's like thick. And this is an oil, so it's not usually thick. You see that? So this is the e.l.f. Sunscreen. Oh, it's so cold. So for concealer, Tarte Shape Tape and the Catrice Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. So we're just gonna use those and see how they go. Why does it look like that? Not a fan. Now I'm gonna take the powder that I have, just to set my face. This is what it looks like. Then I'm gonna take this big old brush. This is a 03 brush by NYX. So this is the Milani Bold Obsessions palette. Love this palette so much. I'm just gonna take this shade right here. Okay, so I am noticing there's less pigmentation. So I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna take this. Oh, by the way, that eyeshadow brush was a 35E by Farrah. This is just a little Essence Precise eyeliner brush. So I'm just gonna take this middle shade right here. we're gonna be taking this stuff. All my stuff's wet. It's like thawing out. It's more creamy though. This is a that. This is just the LA Girl, just blushing, just natural blush, and this is a Morphe M530 brush. Okay, so for highlighters, I have a few different things. I have 3 different highlighters actually. I have a liquid, I have a cream, and then I have a powder. Well, it's the powder one, but you know how to. But anyway, so we're gonna use this one on like the nose and stuff. It's a very pretty. It is by Pacifica. It's a Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe. It is in the shade Nebula. I got this in an Ipsy bag. I love this. It's so pretty. Okay, so let's just. So next I have this Hard Candy #athletic wear waterproof highlighter. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to be taking the ColourPop. Now everyone knows that the ColourPop highlighters are very almost like a putty. It's not really like that now. This is the MAC spray. I always put this on before I do my lip gloss or my lipstick or anything, and also before my eyelashes because I don't want it to go down my face. This is going to freeze my eyes. I already know it. So it's just the Great Lash Maybelline New York Big Blackest Black Mascara. Alright, so now we have, last thing is our lip gloss, and this is just the NARS, whatever it is, in the shade Star Woman. So it's a very red lip. It's like not wanting to cooperate, like it's like separating. Alright, so final review. Honestly, this stuff did not really perform any different besides a few things. I know for one, the lip gloss from NARS, or the lip stain or whatever it's called, it did perform differently, and it's kind of separating on my lips. Not a fan. Alright guys, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was kind of fun, to be honest, even though some of the stuff did react a little bit differently. It was okay, you know. I didn't. That's how she feels about it. But I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload, which will be frequent. And also, don't forget to check out my Instagram. It will be linked in the description box below. And I will see you guys later.